Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So we're back in Rollercoin for this video as they have done some platform updates and I've got some more payment proofs for you, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my Rollercoin account. And like I said at the beginning, they have done some platform updates. Nothing absolutely outstanding. And unfortunately, the big update when it comes to Rollercoin that we're waiting for, which is the introduction of the new miners, that has not happened yet. But they have thrown in there a few little things that we can sort of tinker around with. So let's take a look. Okay, so one of the main notable things that they've done is they have added some more features to their inventory feature, I guess. So before, basically all you could do was click on a miner and bang it, and if you want it, and you could put it into the items panel. Now what you can do, if you click at the top part of the rack, that will allow you to demount all miners. So in one fell swoop it will dump all of those miners into the items panel. If you click on a single miner, now it allows you to just move it to wherever you want. So you can obviously put it on a different rack. I realize these features are specifically for people that just want to say keep their work area a bit tidier, but also as well when it comes to Rollercoin introducing the new miners and then allowing you to sell your old miners, these little things will help you and speed up the process of sort of rearranging everything. Also as well, what you can do, if you click on a single miner, you can click info and it'll actually tell you some details about those miners. It does it on all of them, which is quite cool. You know, it gives you a little bit of a background, an understanding of the miner, what it can give you and stuff like that. So maybe when you're going into your shop and stuff like that to purchase some new miners, you can maybe see the ones that will benefit you or the ones that you would prefer to buy, rather than just sort of, I'll have that one. It's a nice color, I'll have that one. So what else is there? Well, as you can see from the little hamster up in the corner, he is no longer wearing his COVID surgical mask. So maybe that's a good sign for the future for everyone. And the other thing that they have added is actually into the games section. So if we go into the games section, I did actually sort of give you a promo of this on the other video I did. And it was basically just sort of like a demo video. So they have now actually introduced the token surface. So this is where your hamster is basically, if we click on it, you got your hamster is on a skateboard, and it's sort of like a little platform game. So you almost a bit like a Mario game. So you're jumping from platform to platform, collecting coins. I played this last night. I'm absolutely awful at it. I probably will, if I ever got back into playing the games, I probably will go back to the coin flip. But also as well, the coin flip actually starts off at a slightly higher amount. So anyway, let's give it a bash. Okay, so if you click once, it will jump to a certain height. But then you can click again and it will do a double jump. And then I'm going to land on that and crash. Okay. So, and obviously anything other than coins you want to be avoiding. Flying birds, trash cans, traffic cones. And again, you see, I've told you, I am not very good at this at all. But it gives you an idea of what the idea of the game is. Also as well, it might be a little bit more fun and a little bit more interesting than the other games that are on there. Keep you entertained a bit longer. See if we can complete this level. Oh, look at that. I completed it just for you guys. Okay, so we gain the power. And then obviously it goes through this little bit, and then we adds the power to our account. There we go. And then we'll just, so we can either choose game and then go and pick a different game. Continue obviously with that game once the timer is finished, or we can just return home. Okay, so something else I'm actually going to do on this video, because I'm extremely intrigued. I don't know if any of you have done this yet, but I'm actually going to upgrade my little man's apartment, and I'm quite interested to see what we get. I don't know if we get bigger rooms or we get an extra room, so that would essentially be 3 rooms. So basically, to upgrade, you just click on there, and like it shows you, you get a nice, well, look, you get a painting on the wall, you get a big screen TV. So it's going to cost us 35 RLT. At the moment, I believe I have like 312. So I was saving those for the new miners, but I wanted to just share this with you because I am extremely interested to see what happens. So if we click upgrade, so confirm your purchase, yes. Okay, so proceed to the apartment. And whoa, it looks like we're in a dungeon. Not sure if that is a terrible upgraded apartment. Okay, so let's see if we just go back. Hang on a sec. Okay, so I've clicked out of it. I'm just sort of clicking through the different sections of the site. Now we're going to go back to the home. It's loading. Aha, and there we go. So there, yeah, so it gives you 3 rooms. So that's now like the extra room. That is essentially your attic, I'm guessing, and then that is your original space. And yeah, and we get a nice bookcase. The desk is looking a little better. Has he got he's got a sofa and stuff like that, and a widescreen TV. So there you go. So basically, it just gives you an extra room. In fact, it gives you 2 extra rooms, because if we click on that, and then we can unlock another room. So essentially, you end up with 4 rooms, which obviously I am definitely not spending another 35 RLT when I've already got an empty room there and only a half-filled room there. So there is just no point. But hopefully in the future, if things keep going well, we will fill all of those rooms, and we will be absolutely cooking on gas, as they say. Okay, so now we've got our little guy comfortable in his new apartment. Let's go and check out those payment proofs. Okay, so you'll actually notice that we're actually all nearly at a point of, well, with Doge, we're at the point of doing another withdrawal. And at Bitcoin, we're already at the point of doing another withdrawal. And we're getting pretty close. In fact, yeah, we're getting pretty close. We're about, what's that, 300, 200 and whatever, 270,000 off another withdrawal with Ethereum. So we're going to go and check out Ethereum first. So if we go to history, and then you'll see here, we did a withdrawal for 417,000 ETH on the 1st of September. And if you look to the left of the screen, you can see that is a shot of my wallet. And the Ethereum landed in the wallet on the 2nd of September. And we indeed received our 417,000 ETH. Okay, so Bitcoin and Doge, I'm now diverting them to my Atomic wallet. So we're going to go and just jump over to that so we can check out the withdrawals there. So next we're going to look at Bitcoin. So as you can see on the left hand side, that is my Atomic wallet. And so basically if we click on history here, scroll down, and we had two recent withdrawals. I'm not sure if I think I might have covered that withdrawal in the last video. So this is basically the one we're looking at. So we did, what's that, 13,000 BTC on the 1st of September. If we click on Bitcoin here, we can see the transaction there. So it landed in our wallet on the 2nd of September at 2:48 in the morning, and we got our 13,000. The reason why I'm doing this is, one, it just seems a little easier probably to show you, but also as well is that, like I keep saying, with these things, and especially what I mentioned in that video I did on the Atomic Wallet, at the end of the day, when you're making withdrawals with your coins, when they get to your external wallets, they don't do anything. They just sit there. They're not earning you anything. So basically what I'm doing now is some of my coins I'm transferring over to Atomic Wallet, and then looking to put them into staking some of those tokens that we talked about in the Atomic Wallet video. If you are interested in learning how to stake, earning a passive income, or basically, you know, earning while you sleep from your coins, then check out that video on the Atomic Wallet. I will put a link in the description so you can go and look at that. It gives you a full review on the Atomic Wallet and basically the benefits of staking coins. Also as well, for those of you that are not familiar with Rollercoin and it seems like a program you want to get interested in, I will put a link in the description for that as well to an earlier video. It'll also introduce you to the mobile app for Rollercoin. So that means when you're playing those games to build up your power, you can do it anywhere you want. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that those links will be there also, and you can just click straight on them and get watching. Okay, so next thing we want to be looking at is our Doge. So just click there, go to history, and that would be the most recent one. Okay, so if we basically just scroll down here, we're looking for Doge, which is somewhere, or I might have gone past it. Have I gone past it? Yeah, there it is. So if we click on that, so again, I think this withdrawal featured in the last video, but I just thought I'd show you anyway. In fact, it probably didn't actually, because I don't think I showed you any withdrawals in Atomic Wallet. So okay, so basically we had a withdrawal on the 29th of August. You can see that that landed in the wallet on the 30th of August for 477 Doge, and one for 516 we withdrew on the 1st of September and landed in our wallet on the 2nd. Okay, the big reason why I specifically started to put Doge in here is basically because at the minute, as we all know, Doge is worth basically nothing, but Tron is worth 4 cents per coin. So what we're going to be doing is that now we've established and I've shown building up your Tron using the auto faucet and Laravel faucet, I'm now basically going to be putting Doge in from my Rollercoin and possibly from other apps, and just building Tron up through there. Also as well, still using the auto claim faucets to build up tokens for staking, but at the moment, because we are focusing on Tezos, I still want to keep my Tron building up. So what we're going to do is, while we're here, we're going to just quickly go and basically buy some Tron and then add that to our staking. Okay, so if we go to the exchange in the Atomic Wallet, and then we select Doge from here, then what we're looking for is Tron. So that will be down here. Oh, bugger. Okay, so the minimum amount of Tron we can earn So basically, that's crazy, isn't it? So with 1,000, we could actually earn nearly 70 Tron, but the minimum you can use to purchase Tron is 4,000. I know this might seem a little weird, but I'm just trying to do the exchange anyway and see what happens with this. So there you go. So he did do it. That's bizarre. I don't know what I read. I swear it said that the minimum was, I was saying, oh, I don't know. I'm going mad. Anyway, anyway, that's quite cool. So we did the exchange. We got our cash back. And then it will be estimated, the estimated time will be 5 to 20 minutes. So what I'll do is maybe we'll pop back and then we'll add that to the staking in just a while. Okay guys, so basically I've hung on as long as I possibly can, waiting for this exchange to come in. Unfortunately it hasn't. You can see there that the 68 Tron that we are waiting for has not yet landed on our wallets. But what I did do is I quickly dived back into Doge. If we scroll down somewhere, here we go. Oh no, I keep doing that. So basically we've got 991 is what we're looking to exchange. If we come into the exchange now with the Doge Tron, you can see that they're actually saying the minimum is 937. So we sent 991. I don't think there's going to be any problem with the exchange. I think but maybe we're possibly just in a peak time, and that's why it's just taking a bit longer to come through. But what I will do is in the next video I do for Atomic Wallet, I will show you that exchange and me staking those Tron. Also as well, make sure you check out the next video that I do for the Atomic Wallet, because I'm going to be showing you a way you can actually boost how many coins that you are earning. So make sure you check that out. Okay, so that's pretty much it for Rollercoin. I know the updates are probably not as big as we hoped. I realize we are waiting for those new miners to come through, but obviously as soon as they do, I will bring you them in a video. So if you are interested in those earlier videos, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.